Now let's take a look at how we generate a sell signal using momentum and how we get out of a outperforming ETF now that it starts to underperform. Here's a real life example. This is the healthcare ETF in green versus the US stock market in red. And back in 2015, actually 2014-15, the healthcare industry was doing great, and the healthcare ETF had been outperforming for a couple of years. Then in October of 2015, the 9-month performance started falling below the US market performance. And it even shows up much better here on the difference chart, where it went below the zero reference line, which means that it crossed over up above there. So it was at this point that I certainly got out of this ETF. Why? Because I didn't wait for the minus 5% gray area. I did it exactly when it crossed the zero reference line, because at that time there was a scandal on drug pricing that happened. The president of a drug company raised the price of a life-saving drug dramatically and created a huge scandal for the industry. In fact, Hillary Clinton was tweeting at the time that if she became president, she would restrict drug pricing. So that was an important new factor. And it looked like the type of thing that could be a cloud over the industry for quite a while. So I sold at that point rather than waiting for the minus 5%. And you can see that over the next number of months, the healthcare ETF significantly underperformed the US one. So by getting out, you saved quite a bit of money. Plus, we were in other things that were doing well. So in both counts, using this momentum sell signal really helped us out dramatically.